Okay, picture this. You're scrolling through Amazon or maybe Shopify or literally any online store. You've got your eye on a $25 gadget, but then it says $4.99 shipping. And just like that, your brain starts calculating. Should I spend $30 total, or maybe I should buy two more things to get free shipping? And before you know it, your $25 gadget just turned into $87 in random stuff you didn't even need. If that doesn't feel familiar, well, congratulations. You're one of the few humans who hasn't fallen for the free shipping trap. Here's the thing. That free shipping button isn't just a convenience. It's literally designed to make you spend more, and most people don't even realize it. I mean, think about it. A little psychological nudge that costs a company pennies is making you hand over tens or even hundreds of dollars. And it's not an accident. My name is Denver, and I spend way too much time thinking about why everyday conveniences quietly destroy our financial health. If you're someone who buys online a few times a week, who thinks, I'll just get this one thing, and ends up checking out with a full cart, hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Because today, we're unpacking exactly how free shipping trains you to spend more, why it works, and how to fight back before it drains your bank account. Now look, at first, free shipping seems like a gift, right? Like a tiny win. Oh, sweet, I saved $5. But here's what most people don't realize. It's actually a subtle, highly effective form of behavioral conditioning. And yes, I mean the same kind of psychology that gets pigeons to peck levers for food. Think about this. Studies show that 84% of online shoppers add extra items to their cart just to hit free shipping thresholds. That's massive. That's billions of dollars being spent every year on stuff people never planned to buy, all because of a little free shipping banner. And it's not random. It's deliberate. Companies know exactly how your brain works. Here's where it gets interesting. Psychologists call this the zero price effect. When something is free, shipping, add-ons, whatever, your brain literally overvalues it. You don't just see the money you're spending, you see the thing you get for free. And that feeling, it's intoxicating. It's the same reason you pick up the free candy at the checkout aisle, even if you didn't plan to. Now, let's do some math, because I know some of you are thinking, Denver, come on, it's just $5 shipping. But that $5 isn't the problem. The problem is the spiral it creates. Say you want to buy that $25 gadget. Shipping is $5, so total $30. But free shipping requires you to spend $50. Now look, your brain starts justifying. Okay, I'll grab this $15 book I kind of wanted and a $12 phone accessory. Yeah, now I'm at $52. Free shipping. 25 turns into $52. That's more than double your original plan. Multiply that by even a couple of online purchases a month, and suddenly we're talking hundreds of dollars leaking out of your account without you really noticing. And if you're someone who shops online weekly, that can easily hit $1,500 to $2,000 a year. Here's the thing. Most people blame themselves for impulse buying, but this isn't about self-control. This is about design and psychology. These companies have entire teams studying your brain to figure out the exact threshold that triggers you to buy more. They know what makes you feel like you're saving when you're really spending. Now, you might be thinking, Denver, okay, but free shipping is optional. I could just pay the $5. True, you could. But here's the psychological trap. Paying extra for shipping feels like losing. Your brain hates losing. That $5 suddenly feels like a penalty. And humans are loss-averse. We hate losing money more than we love gaining it. So instead of paying $5, your brain screams, get more stuff to make it free. And that's how $5 turns into $27 extra, like magic. This is also why subscription services are brutal. Amazon Prime isn't just about fast shipping, it's about changing your baseline perception of what shipping costs. Once you're used to free, 2-day shipping, any paid shipping feels outrageous. And when it feels outrageous, your behavior changes. You buy more per order, you shop more frequently, you stock up. They've trained you. You don't even notice it happening. Here's a story. My friend Jason, a software engineer, thought he was clever. He only ever bought things he needed. But over 6 months of Prime, he realized he was spending an extra $320 on random gadgets, accessories, and free shipping fillers. He told me, "I didn't even want most of this stuff. I just didn't want to pay shipping." That $320 could have been invested, could have earned him an extra $12 to $15 in dividends every month, but instead it vanished into free shipping. And here's the psychological kicker. When you feel like you're saving, your brain literally rewards you. Dopamine hits. That tiny win of getting free shipping triggers the same chemical response as winning a mini lottery. And just like gambling, you start chasing it more and more. Now look, I'm not saying stop buying online. I'm saying stop letting free shipping dictate how much you spend. Because here's what most people don't realize. The convenience of free shipping is literally programming your wallet to bleed. So, what can you actually do about it? Here's the strategy. First, set a hard spending threshold before you shop. If you only need $25 worth of stuff, stick to $25. Don't let free shipping move that goalpost. Think of it like a financial moat. Don't let extra purchases breach your wall. Second, use free shipping as a conscious tool, not a trigger. If free shipping saves you money without adding unnecessary items, great. But if it tempts you to add random products, treat it like a marketing trick. Don't let it play your brain. Third, consider shopping less often but buying what you actually need. The fewer carts you fill, the fewer free shipping temptations you face. It's basic psychology. Less exposure equals less behavioral manipulation. Fourth, and this one's subtle, think in total cost, not perceived savings. A $5 free shipping credit that makes you buy $27 extra isn't a saving, it's a loss. Train your brain to see the math, not the dopamine hit. Now you might be thinking, Denver, this seems a little intense, it's just shipping. But here's the truth. Financial literacy isn't about avoiding big investments, it's about controlling hundreds of small leaks. Each small leak compounds. That $5 free shipping spiral might feel harmless today, but year after year, it adds up faster than most people realize. Here's a shocking stat. One study from the National Bureau of Economic Research found that people spent 30% more on orders when free shipping thresholds were in place, even though they didn't need the extra items. That's not a small effect. That's billions in lost consumer spending worldwide. And every single one of those billions came from a psychological nudge that costs the company almost nothing. This is the exact reason why as soon as you see free shipping over $50, your brain immediately starts justifying extra purchases. And it works because humans aren't wired to think in rational math. They think in loss avoidance, dopamine hits, and social proof. So here's the takeaway. Free shipping is not free. Free shipping is a carefully engineered tool designed to make you spend more while feeling like a savvy shopper. And now that you know this, you can fight back. Here's your action step. Next time you're about to click checkout for free shipping, pause. Ask yourself 3 questions. Do I really need all of this? Am I adding extra items just to hit free shipping? Will this extra spending help me in the long term, or just give me a dopamine hit? Answer honestly. That pause alone will save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars a year. And over time, that money doesn't just sit in your account, it grows. Invested, it compounds. The $300 you didn't waste on free shipping fillers could turn into $5,000 to $10,000 over a decade just from smart financial choices. Now look, I get it. Convenience is powerful. The pull of free shipping is strong. But here's the truth. If you don't notice the traps, they notice you. Every time you get free shipping, a small part of your wallet is being conditioned to spend more. But when you see it for what it is, when you understand the psychology, when you pause and think, that power shifts. You take control. Here's the final thought I want to leave you with. Every dollar you save from avoiding free shipping traps isn't just money in your account, it's a vote for your financial independence. It's proof that you're aware, that you're thinking ahead, that you're not just another consumer on autopilot. So next time you see that free shipping over $50 banner, remember, companies are playing you. But now you know the rules, the game. You can play smarter, spend less, and let your money work for you, not the other way around. And that, my friends, is how a tiny convenience became one of the biggest hidden money traps in your life. If you found this eye-opening, hit that like button and subscribe, because we're just scratching the surface of the little financial tricks that cost you big. I post videos every week about the subtle psychology and money hacks that most people overlook, but once you notice them, your wallet starts thanking you. Remember, it's not about never spending, it's about spending consciously. Every dollar saved isn't just money, it's freedom, growth, and power over your financial future.